Muthenya Umwe Itina wa Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM na ula Oingi ni Seneta wa Siaya Oburu Oginga Kumuthuthya President William Ruto Atwiisye Utongoi wa Kithui Kana Udikteta wa Kimaendeeo. Ngavana wa Siaya Orengo Niwaumania Vanene Uneeni uswa Oburu. Aineenea Musyini wa Mombasa Orengo Niwaweta kana Uneeni wa Oburu niwa Kuthekeea na Kuvuthiisya demokrasia ya nthi hii. Uneeni wake wikwatwa ambao ni mtaalamu wa uteti na memba wa kikundi cha Linda Mwananchi Brian Weke. Angelina Muse nilivota witwa Mombasa.
Aineenea Musyini wa Mombasa ndino ekomona yimwanya na Atongoi maisioni na ala makukwata ambao Murengo wa Linda Mwananchi. Gavana wa kaunti ya Siaya Orengo Niwaumania Vanene Uneeni wa Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Oburu Oginga aiweteta utailite umakanywani wa Mutongoi take.
But now it is a shock and a tragedy for somebody who is in the parliament, and more particularly in the Senate, and has taken oath in parliament on the basis of the democratic constitution that we have, Constitution 2010, to invite a president already who is authoritarian to be a benevolent dictator.
Niwaweta nthi ya Kenya ni vinyikite Vanene unguwa Utongoi wa President William Ruto aweta Uneeni wa Oburu notonya utuma maundu mavikia kuma mbeange.
I was surprised and shocked that our brother Oburu, who comes from a family, a political family, which has fought for democracy and is in a party whose name bears the word democracy, would invite Ruto to be a benevolent dictator. As if already Ruto is not a dictator. You have heard about extrajudicial killing, abductions.
Orengo niwaweta mayiti kila unavanini nthi ya Kenya kutungwa maundoni mao dikteta. Aimakuli ya Kenya kuithi wa mustali ni wambe kukitana ndongo ila itailite kuisila maleveni.
Benevolent dictator. We had said before that these characters, they have sold the party to Ruto. Otherwise, he would not be inviting Ruto to be a benevolent dictator. And I want to tell them and their ilk, Kenya will never be a dictatorship in our lives by rule of the law or the constitution. Kenya will never go to the authoritarian days that brought detentions without trial and many other things that confronted the nation.
Gilivote ya vilingi wa maovo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Muse.